Hi, welcome to the M Kitchen. I'm Pete and I'm going to show you a perfect tip for that crunchy crackling. I've had our install butcher prepare me a leg of pork. He's hand scored it and tied it. What you're going to do is place it on a cooling rack over a tray. Then carefully, with a kettle, boiling water, pour it over. This will open the crackling up and allow it to crunch up during the cooking. Now I'm going to pat it dry with some kitchen paper. This will just remove any excess moisture. Drizzle with a little bit of olive oil. And sprinkle a liberal amount of salt. Really work it in. Make sure you rub it well into the pork rinds. Now place into a roasting tray and cook for the first 20 minutes at 220 degrees centigrade. Reduce to 200 for the remaining cooking time. And here's one I prepared earlier.